Hey, it's Zach with Android Police, and in this video, we wanted to take a quick look at the HiTune X5 Bluetooth earbuds from UGREEN. And big thanks to UGREEN for supporting the channel and sponsoring this video. The X5s have a very interesting yet aesthetically sound design with oval-shaped stems for an overall comfortable and secure fit and minimal size. They don't stick out and take up a whole bunch of space or anything like that. The earbuds are IPX5 certified, so they can withstand rain and sweat and even water immersion no problem. The stems provide touch controls, single tap to play and pause tracks, double tap for volume controls, triple tap to play the previous or next track, and a long press to activate your phone's voice assistant. We're looking at Bluetooth 5.2 with seamless true wireless connectivity for quick pairing and a stable connection, and Qualcomm's aptX codec along with the 10mm dynamic drivers and dual flexible diaphragms aim to provide CD level sound quality. On top of that, these have super bass low frequency enhancement technology for deeper, punchier bass. And these also have Qualcomm's true wireless mirroring technology, which allows the buds to switch between mono and stereo modes by automatically detecting when you remove an earbud. The X5s have 4 microphones along with environmental noise cancellation or ENC and Qualcomm CVC 8.0 noise cancellation. It's good enough to reduce 91% of ambient noise and to reduce echo. Here's a quick microphone test.
Alright, so here's a quick microphone test using the HiTune X5s from UGREEN. This is completely unedited audio, and this is what it would sound like if you and I were on the phone together. Let me know what you think of the sound quality coming from the microphones here on the X5s.
In terms of battery life, we're looking at 7 hours of playback on a single charge, 28 hours total using the charging case, and 10 minutes of charging gets you an extra 1 hour of playback. There's a music and gaming dual mode which aims to bring latency down to 70 milliseconds in gaming mode. These are compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS. They go for $60, and you can pick up a pair using the very first link in the description. Thanks once again to UGREEN for supporting the Android Police channel and sponsoring this video. Thanks for watching.